तो आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे कि हाउ कैन यू वेरीफाई योर वेबसाइट डोमेन्स इन फेसबुक बिजनेस मैनेजर. आफ्टर iOS 14.5's update, Facebook has made it almost necessary to verify all your website domains. जितनी भी आप वेबसाइट डोमेन्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं अपने फेसबुक एडवर्टाइजिंग में, उन सब डोमेन्स को वेरीफाई करना अब बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हो गया है आफ्टर दैट अपडेट, so that you don't get into any issues or troubles. So आप कैसे वो वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं, कहाँ पे वो वेरीफाई करना है, वो सब मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा. So without wasting any time, let's jump onto the screen and see the process. So the first step will be to go to your Facebook Business Manager. वहाँ पे जाने के लिए you just need to type business.facebook.com. If you see here URL में just type business.facebook.com and it will take you to your business manager. अगर अभी तक आपने Facebook business manager नहीं बनाया है तो मैंने उस पर एक वीडियो बनाई है, how to create a Facebook business manager और how to create a page. आप वो जाके वीडियो देख सकते हैं. I'll just put it on the screen. Just go and watch that video first, create a business manager and then come to this step to verify your वेबसाइट डोमेन्स. तो एक बार आप अपने बिजनेस मैनेजर में आ गए, आपने बिजनेस मैनेजर क्रिएट कर लिया, उसके बाद आप business.facebook.com पे जाने के बाद इस पेज पे लैंड हो जाएंगे. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू जस्ट नीड टू गो टू बिजनेस सेटिंग. सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन बिजनेस सेटिंग्स एंड देन इट विल टेक यू टू बिजनेस मैनेजर. सो दिस इज योर फेसबुक बिजनेस मैनेजर सेटिंग्स एंड इसमें आपको जस्ट स्क्रॉल डाउन एंड कम टू ब्रांड सेफ्टी. You just need to come to this section, open, and then come to domain. Under brand safety, just go to domains. So if you see here, इस तरह का ही आपको ऑप्शन मिलेगा. Since I have not verified any domain yet, so it is just giving me option to add a domain. Just click on add domain and put your domain URL here. Make sure you don't put HTTP or HTTPS. So I'll just put my own website domain, which is this, and yes. So if you see here, it says nikhilparihar.com, not verified and not verified here as well. So basically अभी तक verified नहीं है. You have to verify this domain. There are three options. You can use HTML tag. You can also upload a HTML file to your website folder, and you can also verify it with DNS text records. So जो other two options है, these are little complex right now. इसके लिए आपको या तो DNS की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए या फिर आपकी डायरेक्टरी जो है उसकी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, कहाँ पे अपलोड करना है उसकी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. बट द फर्स्ट वन इज़ लिटिल सिंपल. अगर आप वर्डप्रेस यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो और भी सिंपल है, एंड आई विल वॉक यू थ्रू दैट प्रोसेस ओनली. सो वी विल गो विद द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, your HTML source code, and that option is also by default selected, and this is the tag they have given us. Okay, and it says you have to put that tag in head section. So whatever website you are using, okay, make sure you put this tag, copy this tag, just click on it and put this tag in the head section of your website. So I have copied this tag. Now I'll go to my WordPress website. Okay, so this is my WordPress website backend. I'll just come to the section plugins and I'll click on add new. यहाँ पे आने के बाद you just need to go to search bar and type insert headers and footers. So this is one of the plugin I like to put the code in the head or body section of my website or foot section of my website. So this is the plugin insert headers and footers by WP Wigners. So it is already installed on my website and it is already active on my website. You just need to you'll get this option of install. You click on install and then you click on activate after that. Once this is installed and activated, you'll come to settings section, and settings में आपको insert headers and footers मिल जाएगा. You just go to that particular section. And if you see, I've already pasted a lot of code on my website. I'll just come to the end section, hit enter, and here I'll paste that code. So this code I'll paste it here and then scroll down and click on save. Also make sure you paste the code in header script because they say it needs to be in the header script, not in body or foot. Okay, so once you have saved it, make sure you run your cache plugin I'll just purge all my cache so that it gives me a fresh page, and I'll just go to that section of the website and scroll down and click on verify. So okay, so it's not scrolling down. I think I need to decrease the page. Yeah, so now it is giving me verify domain. You might also get into this trouble. You might not see this button. Just press Ctrl-. It'll decrease the size of the page to 90%, and then you will see the button. So I'll just click on verify now. Just give it some time. It says it is verified. So it has identified that tag on my website, and it says the domain is verified. Now you can also verify a bunch of other domains which you are going to use in your advertising. So you can go ahead and verify all those domains, multiple domains here. So this is how you go ahead and verify your domains on Facebook Business Manager. It is very, very important step if you are running ads on Facebook Business Manager or Facebook Ad Manager. If you have loved this video, I'm sure you will also love this one. Do check out this video as well, and I will meet you in the next video very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.